So here we have the elderberry bush. She's growing her berries, as you can see. She had flowered from May to June, and now we're in early July. She has started seeding and growing her fruits, and then when it comes to around December, late December, that's when they're ripe for you to pick. So if you pay attention to what's growing now, it is actually preparing us for the winter ahead. Now, I love watching nature bloom. I love the transitions of the seasons, and this is what we can use to almost enjoy the journey. With come rain, come shine, it doesn't really matter, because you're kind of with the flow of nature. And here we have chicory. Chicory has caffeic acid, also has inulin. Chicory is greatly known for its compounds and helping your microbiome. So your digestive system will really benefit from this plant, mainly from the roots. So obviously when you see the plant out wild, it'll be slightly more difficult for you to uproot it. So my advice would be collect some of the leaves and the flowers so you can make into tea and have the leaves for your salads for sure. And they are high in antioxidants, and the tannins in there will help inflammation in your body and also help with any forms of digestive issues you may have in your gut because of the fiber they contain. Beyond the cityscapes is an escape of nature's best, connecting us to the earth and sky, limitless. It is with that we can learn and what we can eat to attune ourselves better. Cityscapes not so far away, but wildlands oh so close if only we take a glance.